Action.
Ready? Good. Okay. Wait.
Good morning, Jason, and welcome to the bride.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. I believe I will go there. I believe I'd rather be.
Let's go, Payson!
Mission.
Let's go, Payson!
Find out in a place, make it everlasting, so nothing's incomplete. It's easy being people, sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be.
Hi, I'm Luke,
And I'm Brody,
and I have no Rizz.
and I have so much, so I'm going to show Luke and all of you guys. And Luke will demonstrate after I teach him.
Today, I'm going to learn how to Rizz.
Treat me like what is, don't get me dirty.
We have our first target. I want you to go up to her and say, I find you extremely attractive.
Extremely
And then
attractive?
ask her name, get to know her, okay?
Okay, here I go. Hey, Huz, I find you mildly attractive.
Okay, Luke, next up. Okay? This time, just don't do what you did last time. Just learn from that, okay?
Okay,
Okay, go.
I'm gonna try something I saw on Instagram, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Huz, are you trying to link?
Okay, Luke. Luke,
Like that,
lock
okay?
in, bro.
Okay.
For this next one, you're gonna show off something. You're gonna show off some moves you got. Okay, you're gonna try to
Okay,
impress her.
I can
okay?
dance, yeah.
You got that?
Yeah, I
All
can
right,
dance.
Go,
Okay.
go.
Hey, Huz.
Okay, obviously Luke doesn't understand what I'm trying to say. So Alec, what do you got for him?
Can I be your girlfriend?
He wants to be your girlfriend.
Dude, he's a genius. Dude, he's a genius. I'm gonna use that one.
Okay, go.
Alec, you saved me. Alec, you saved me. All right, here I go. Excuse me, Huz. Can I be your girlfriend?
Treat me like what is, don't get me dirty.
Hey Payson, welcome to episode 3 of What's in Your Bag. Who do I have the pleasure of interviewing?
Gavin Thiel, and this is my bag of wonders.
Dude, these wonders are. Okay, take it away.
Okay, so in the first pocket, this just seminary.
So, normal.
Yeah.
Cool.
Then second one's pencils. Then this third one, we get a little bit of wonders with the Chewbacca.
The Chewbacca Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Then way too much papers for a normal person.
Is that homework?
This one. Both. Actually, not both, but homework and junk. Hey.
So still relatively normal.
Yeah. Then I got the T-Rex. Come on. A visor piece to a clone trooper helmet.
A what?
A clone trooper's helmet.
Is that also Star Wars?
Yes.
Oh. Quick question, why do you have a dinosaur?
Why don't you have a dinosaur?
Good point.
Then the Chromebook and textbook. Then the clone trooper's helmet. Now for the grand finale, I got the magic 8-ball.
I'm speechless.
The grimace egg. Fish flops.
Why?
Bats. And for the grand finale, Baby Yoda.
No. No way. So that... Awesome.
That's all for today, Payson. Pride out.